And here we go, things starting out fast down here at Black Point as we got another truck stuck on the ramp. Black Point has been slick over the last couple days that we've been down here. A lot of trucks really struggling to get these boats out. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting Black Point Marina, and let's see if they can get it out this time. Just spinning tires, and the worst part, you can tell how little traction there is, so we don't even really hear the tires screeching, which means he's not even really close to getting the traction he needs to get this thing out. So here we go, it looks like we got a couple captains stepping up to try and give our man a hand as they wear the captain hats as they sit here and bounce on the back of this truck. So, I mean, it looks like it helped a little bit. He got a little further up the ramp than he's gotten at any other point in time so far. Probably going to have to back this one down, try and get a running start this time with the weight on the back and see if it helps. So backing down again. And here we go, really guns it this time. And still not enough, starts to roll backwards once it gets toward the top of the ramp. And tries from the top without backing down, and man, he's sliding backwards. That's always one of the scarier sights when you see somebody starting to slide backwards. So, I think we added somebody else onto the back of this. They're really hopping hard now. Starting to get a little bit of traction. Might be enough. And there you go. You can hear the tires screeching, which means they're starting to get some kind of grip. And our guy's going to get it over the top. And so here comes our crew in on approach. So we've got somebody in the bow with some line, and it looks like the lady over here as well is trying to get some line set up on the stern. So Cap's coming in. Turns the boat a little heavy. Coming in heavy bow first. Gonna be tough to get the stern around. Our guy's gonna walk off the bow, hopefully, it looks like. Steps over the bow rail. Oh, we are completely sideways on the dock. 1 foot on the dock, 1 foot on the boat. There we go. Steps it off. But now we've got to get it around. So he's got 2 lines in his hand. So there we go. Should be good to roll and get this one brought back to the side. And that'll get them done. Somebody will still have to explain to me why this is so popular down here in South Florida. I mean, you can't go to the boat ramp and not find a U-Haul truck that somebody's using to launch a boat or a jet ski. I just never really see this at my local boat ramp, but I guess it's just something. I mean, maybe it's cheaper than owning a truck down there. So our guy's about ready to try and pull this out. And we're starting to get that slip action. I mean, it's not your truck, man. Gun it. You know, it's almost a different approach on this situation. It's like, you know what? Burn those tires up. Just make sure you don't burn them up so bad you blow it out right here on the ramp. But our guy, he's going to back down, try and get a little bit more of a running start. And, yep, looks like we're going to get a little assist action here as well. And they got the hop action going. Now we got 3 of them on there. And the U-Haul is going to get it pulled out. Now, this is a close one. I hate seeing people go for the splits here at the boat ramp, but our guy does it. Fortunately, he's able to make it onto the dock. Too many times we see people go for that move, and they wind up either getting stuck and they wind up in the water or wind up falling back into the boat. And we've got another victim, it looks like, here on the ramp. Another truck stuck that just cannot get the boat out. So our guy's gonna leave the truck. And he's talking to somebody. And it looks like we're gonna have somebody else get into the driver's seat of the truck. And our guy, I'm assuming we're gonna try a power out. And security's coming over, showing a little interest now as well. So Cap's behind the helm. Security's trying to talk her through it looks like. And telling her to back it up. So let's back it up, see if we can take a little pressure off the truck, try and get a little running start, and see if they can get this one out. So here we go, attempt one. And that's all we're gonna need. Just that little extra bump from the engine is able to pull them over the top. And it just keeps on giving today with these trucks being stuck down here at the boat ramp. My favorite part of this one is all the guys standing here on the dock just kind of staring at these guys stuck. Easily could go over and give them a hand and help get this out. So it's tough to tell because we're shot blocked by all of them standing on the dock, but there we go. Looks like we're gonna go with the power out. And this crew will wind up getting it out, and they should be good to roll. And speaking of good to roll, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.